In this video, we're going to learn how to fill out forms in S4. If you are not familiar with S4, start by reviewing the What is S4 and How to Find It video tutorial. Additionally, in order to access placement forms in S4, you must first begin the process of reporting your placement site. If you haven't started this process yet, review and follow the How to Report Your Community Placement in S4 video on this page. To learn more about S4 navigation, select the View the Dashboard Guided Tour link in the upper right-hand corner of the page. To learn more about the S4 placement process at your own pace, you can select the View the Placement Guided Tour button and see on-screen step-by-step instructions for how to proceed. If you did begin the process of reporting your placement in S4 but have not completed it, you will be able to get back the forms from your S4 dashboard by selecting the Continue button to the right of the corresponding course. Now you will see all forms associated with your placement. You may access S4 navigation at any time by selecting the Enable the Page Guide button. Note that your placement is not going to be complete until you fill out all the required placement forms. The forms you are required to fill out vary by class and major. The forms shown in this video are only examples of possible forms. Select the Complete Form button next to each of the forms and follow the instructions on the screen. Once you select the Complete Form button next to the form you plan on filling out, the corresponding form will appear. Read the content of the form and all the instructions available for it, then enter all the required information. Many of the forms require that you e-sign and date them to certify your agreement. Place your cursor in the Signature field and draw your signature. Once you've signed and dated the form, select the Submit button. As you make progress on filling out the required forms, you will see that you may now view the forms you have completed by selecting the corresponding View Submission button. Let's fill out the Release of Liability form to practice. Select the Complete Form button. Read the form and any available instructions, enter all the required information, sign the form, then, in the case of this form, confirm your age, then select the Submit button. Once you have completed all the forms, select the Finish Placement button. Now your placement reporting process is complete. You can confirm that by selecting the Home tab and verifying that there is a Placed button to the right of the class for which you just reported the placement. Next, we will learn how to create a time log and report your hours in S4. Select the link on this page to navigate to the next video. If you have S4 questions that we did not address in this video, please email us at s4@humboldt.edu.